What's going on, guys? This is going to be Dark with a little synopsis of what I've been up to for the past year. So unfortunately I've neglected my YouTube channel after having created these McFarlane customs, but I did switch over to Instagram just due to a situation of having moved and I don't really have a good spot to record anymore. But I promise I will not neglect you guys. I do see that there's a kind of a big change. I know 19 subscribers isn't like a huge markup, but I do care about you guys and I appreciate the love. So we'll talk soon.